नमस्कार, आर के त्यागी गाज़ियाबाद एनसीआर दिल्ली ओम सच्ची जनवानी चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को शेयर लाइक कमेंट करें। चैनल सब्सक्राइब करने से आपका 1 सेकंड लगेगा और हमारा मदद होगी और आपको वीडियो तुरंत मिलेगा। जब भी हम वीडियो बनाएंगे, हम वीडियो लगातार बनाते रहते हैं बैंक रिटायरीज के संबंध में और अन्य भी। और वीडियो शेयर करने से ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ सोसाइटी, ऑल सेक्शंस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी तक जाएगा, गवर्नमेंट तक जाएगा और सभी रिटायरी साथियों तक जाएगा, ताकि रिटायरी साथी मोबिलाइज मोटिवेट हो सके और हमारे रिटायरीज के इशूज़ व्यूज़ और न्यूज़ प्रोपोगेट हो सके। आइए शुरू करते हैं। ये एक लेटर है, हमारे एक्टिव साथी ने लिखा है। श्री M.V. राव, चेयरमैन IBA मुंबई, श्री सुनील मेहता, चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन मुंबई। डियर सर्स, पेंशनर्स इशूज इन कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ आवर मेल डेटेड 29 जून 2024, 29 जून 2024 addressed to both of you, through which we sought your indulgence in resolving pension plight. We would like to draw your kind attention towards the growing unrest and frustration among the pensioners, in respect of whom expected steps are not being taken by you. You are well aware of the issues of pensioners. Wage revision settlement was reached on 8 March 24 and the new pay scale was paid in the next 22 days on March 24, with arrears from November 22 to February 24. Under your able leadership, this time the settlement was reached in a few months and its implementation took place in a very short time, just 22 days, which is a record. The pensioners would have been very happy and grateful to you if necessary steps would have been taken with same speed as in case of implementation of wage settlement, in respect of understanding reached in the joint note dated 8 March 24 to insert the provision of periodic pension revision in the pension regulation along with the wage settlement. Who can understand the urgency of the provision better than you? This provision is directly related to pension updation, which is pending for the last 37 years in the MC Singla case pending in the Supreme Court. IBA has cited the absence of provision for updation in the regulations as the reason for non-pension revision in settlement dated 8 March 24. The reason for non-updation of pension was given as the case being sub judice. In such a situation, the underlying objective in the above provision is related to pension updation. There is no confusion in it. The eagerness of the pensioner to insert the above provision in the pensioners regulation can be understood. The agreement regarding ex gratia has a provision for review in the April every year from 24. A meeting was held last April, but the ex gratia could not be reviewed as financial results of the banks were not finalized. How that the financial result of the banks have come. Now meeting is being held for review. Reviewing the ex gratia is a contractual obligation. Not reviewing is a breach of agreement, and we trust it is not your intention to breach the agreement in view of the long-standing neglect and harassment of the pensioners. Further, ignoring their entitlements is inhuman and ingracious. Ignoring the health security of pensioners is the cause of death of thousands of the pensioners, of which you are well aware. This is deliberate criminal negligence. Report of Khandelwal Committee and the allocation of welfare funds by the Secretary, Department of Financial Services to the public sector banks. On the basis of the report, White, his letter dated 24 February 12 with suggestion that the welfare funds may be used for health insurance of both working and retired. You are well acquainted of it. It is also known that the banks have been using the welfare funds for health insurance of working bank employees, but the responsibility of insurance of the retired has been left on the retired. This is a cause of discrimination and misuse of welfare funds. We have sent several mails to you, including the one referred above, requesting you to take necessary steps on the above mentioned issues, and we are very optimistic that you might be sincerely and seriously doing on above issues, but apparently there is nothing visible, so pensioners have worries on these matters. We again draw your attention to the following issues and request for the required decision at the earliest. Number 1. The provision for periodic pension updation along with wage revision settlement in the pension regulations 1995 as agreed to on 8th March 24 please be inserted immediately with the prior approval of RBI and government. Number 2. Pension updation has been the subject of 12th BPS 9th joint note, hence in accordance with the above newly created updation clause, the pension of the pensioners will till 31st October 22 please be revised on RBI line. Number 3. In the ex gratia matter, since now the financial results of the bank have come in, the ex gratia please be reviewed and fine-tuned. Number 4. The ex gratia is a matter related to the pensions and pension schemes. The pension agreement dated 29th October 93 is applicable to a total 58 banks including PSBs and private sector banks. Therefore, this agreement should be implemented in all the banks party to pension agreement. And next, 5th, health insurance is right of retired bank employees. Therefore, health insurance please be provided at the cost of banks. The expected reduction in the premium from common insurance policy of working and retired is not the solution to the problem. Not being able to pay premium is the problem of the retired bank employees. Again, this is the corporate social responsibility of the banks. The government has allocated welfare funds to the banks for this. Therefore, health insurance of the premium ₹5 lakh please be provided by the banks to the retired bank employees. We are confident that the keeping in view seriousness of the above issues, you will take immediate decision on them, for which the pension will be grateful to or throughout the life. Regards. ये JN शुक्ला जी ने चिट्ठी लिखी है, लेटर लिखा है, मेल लिखा है और इसमें कॉपी करिए सेक्रेटरी DFS MOF न्यू दिल्ली विद ए रिक्वेस्ट टू प्लीज़ लुक इनटू द मैटर। लेकिन इस लेटर में कुछ चीज़ें छूट गई हैं, वो हम इस वीडियो के माध्यम से अपने इन सभी एग्जीक्यूटिव्स को, अधिकारी गणों को और अन्य लोगों को भी रिमाइंड कराते हैं कि स्पेशल लोन्स एनोमली होना बहुत ज़रूरी है पेंशन अपडेशन के साथ ही। जब तक वो नहीं होगा तो 2012 के बाद के रिटायरी जो 75% है उनका कोई भला नहीं होने